Does your business rely on inflow of constant leads? Well, most of bigger businesses rely on leads every day because their sales teams is there to convert those leads into sales, and that's actually a story of every successful business. So how do you get leads? How do you generate those leads, and in what format do you generate those leads? And today in this video, I'm going to tell you one way which you can, and the newest way by the way, to actually generate those leads, those calls and inbound calls to your sales team, which they can convince and then convert into sales. Hi, my name is Sarthak Arora and you're watching Rocket Tech. And before we go any further into this video and before I pop into my screen and show you how exactly to generate calls from Facebook and Instagram campaigns, I would request you to please go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any specific question that you want to ask and you want me to answer that, put that in comments. Yes. So what are we doing today? We are going to show you how to generate calls from Facebook. So leads is like you have lead generation formats into Facebook. You can have a lead form and generate thousands of leads from that form, and that's usual, right? That's happening everywhere. But few weeks back, I noticed something, which is Facebook is doing something new. So in one of the specific campaign on Facebook, Instagram, Facebook is allowing you to redirect traffic to a phone call. Yes, to a phone call. That means, what does it mean? That you get to get a fresh call and you can just pick up the phone, talk to your customer and try to convince and close the sale right there. That's what it means, right? So I'm going to show you how to do that. So here we are at my screen. Let's open up Business Manager on Facebook. By the way, if you don't have one business manager of your own, you should go and get it ASAP, because that's the most convenient tool and the tool to go to if you want to run Facebook and Instagram ads. So if you want to know how to actually create your own business manager, you can find a link above here or down in the description. And there's a specific way how to use a business manager as well for an agency, by the way. So you don't create multiple business managers for your clients, because you only have limit of 5 business managers. After that, Facebook won't allow you to create more managers. And then what you do is, for clients, you create, if your client already has one business manager, then you connect that business manager with the partner access, so that you can handle all the given assets. If not, you'll have to create multiple. So use it in a way which is actually prescribed by the Facebook. So here we are at my ads manager screen, and you see this green button, the lovely green button that I love so much. This is create, and now we are creating a new campaign, and we have so many types of objectives right here. But there's only one objective, one type of objective which gives you that call right now, is called traffic campaign. So traffic campaign is basically throwing out traffic from Facebook to any other destination that you would like, and we decide where to send this traffic in the ad set level. But here you do not see any phone. You can have website, you can choose a app if you want to take out the traffic and send it to an application of yours, or if you want to chat to your customers on Messenger or WhatsApp, you can click here on Messenger, which is Facebook Messenger, or WhatsApp, which is again owned by Facebook. But yeah, you get the idea, right? Now you don't need to do anything on the screen. If you want to create more calls, let me first select website, and then you go to ad section, and let me choose my page, and if you scroll down, you will see this. There are 3 destinations available on this screen as well, which is website, Facebook event and phone calls. Now this, if you pick this, you'll have to first put a phone number. Let me put not mine. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So that's a valid number for Facebook. And let me choose a media format as well for you, just for reference. Not that I want to run ad on that. Okay, this looks good. This is better. So this creative is for a webinar that I did, I think, couple of months back. Yeah. And I'll have to pick phone call again, and I have to put my number again, not my number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, a valid number. Now you'll see this is how it's going to look like on any Facebook's feed, and there will be a call now button. Now there's two things that you need to be aware of before you go ahead and run this campaign. One, this will only run on mobile phones, so anyone who's on desktop will not see your ad at all. Two, this will only run on Facebook, so it will not run on Instagram, because as of now this, so even if I select the Instagram feed option, as of now this asset is not supported by Instagram. So you can read over here as well, your ad won't run on Instagram because the selected Facebook post shares an object like an event or an album that is not supported. Please select a different post. So I haven't selected any post or anything, I've just selected a creative with the phone call destination. That is what it's saying here. So your ad will only run on Facebook, or it can also run on audience network. If you go ahead and see, I can run my ads in article. This is audience, apps and native banners. So you can run it over there as well, and you can see there's call now CTA on every other asset or every other placement other than Instagram. So be aware of this, and if you are comfortable running your ads on Facebook, if you do not care whether your ads not going to run on Instagram or Facebook, then it's a go-to thing, a go-to tool for you. But if you want to generate leads through Instagram, because I know a lot of clients who specifically wants more leads from Instagram because they themselves are Instagram lovers, this is not the campaign that you want to do. You can do a general traffic campaign which sends all the traffic to your landing page and have leads generated from that landing page and have calls generated from that landing page. Or you can do a lead generation campaign which has the lead form which can open up on Instagram, and people can literally fill in their information right there, and on a click of a button you will get their details and you can call them back. And three, you can do a custom conversion campaign, again kind of a traffic campaign but more optimized to get more leads, and in that way you send out traffic to your landing page, have a lead form over there, and people, whoever fills that lead form gets to be converted by you and you can call them back, right? But this one will only run on Facebook, only run on mobile phones, but will give you calls directly to your mobile phone. And the only thing that you need to do, or your team need to do, is pick up the phone and talk to them and convert them in sales. That's it. I hope you like this video, and now you know how to generate calls and how to redirect traffic from Facebook, Instagram directly to your phone call and talk to your customer directly and add more revenue to your business, right? Thank me later. Go convert these leads into sales first, and before you go, subscribe, thumbs up, and if you want to ask any question, comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye.